Moving in or out of Middletown, Connecticut? Our full-service moving company is here to make your move smooth, stress-free, and efficient. From everyday items to delicate valuables, we pack everything with care to protect your belongings during transport. Need help with heavy furniture? Our pros handle disassembly and reassembly, so you don't have to lift a finger. We load and unload efficiently, saving you time and hassle on moving day. Special care for electronics and fragile items ensures nothing gets damaged. Need storage or junk removal? We offer flexible options to fit your needs. We provide a detailed home visit to estimate your move, ensuring no surprises on moving day. Whether it's a local move or over 100 miles, we tailor our services and pricing for your specific move. Our experienced team packs quickly, saving you valuable time and energy. Always verify movers' licenses, insurance, and reviews before hiring for peace of mind. Ready for a worry-free move? Contact us today. Middletown's trusted full-service moving company. Let's get you moving.